In the previous lesson, we created our first Pine script indicator, but there was one line we never really explained. This line. Today, you'll learn why variables are one of the most important concepts in Pine script. Now that we know what a variable is, how do we actually create one? Regardless of the programming language you're using, creating a variable always starts with the same three ideas. First, we choose a name. The name is simply how we'll refer to this variable later. It should describe the information we're storing. Next, we decide which value we want to store. That value can change at any moment, but the variable keeps exactly the same identity. Finally, the programming language stores that value in memory. From that point on, every time we use the variable's name, the language already knows which value we're talking about. Choosing good variable names is extremely important. A good name tells you exactly what that variable stores. Avoid names that are confusing. Never start a variable with a number. Don't use spaces. And avoid names that already belong to Pine script. For example, now, we have 3 different indicators. Imagine that we want to put the same length in all of them. Yes, we can erase each one and write the new value into each indicator. But do you think it is the best way to be done? Of course it isn't. The best way to do it is to declare a variable named length in this case, and then insert the name length in each corresponding parameter. Let's put the variable length on each indicator and define it as 20 in the beginning. We could put lots of indicators here. I forgot to declare the variable here. Today, you've learned one of the most fundamental concepts in programming. Variables are used in almost every Pine script you'll ever write. In the next lesson, we'll explore data types and learn why not every variable stores the same kind of information.